Hi boys and girls, we are learning that for the base words in our CVVC and CVCC categories, we do not double the final consonant before adding ed and ing suffixes. For the CVC categories, we double the final consonant before adding the suffix. And for the CVCE words, we drop the e and then add ed and ing. Here are the two new patterns that we talked about this week, CY and VY. With the CY pattern, I am adding ing regularly, but if I want to turn it into a past tense, I have to change the y into an I and then add ed. And for the VY pattern, I am just adding ed and ing. All right, so what I want you to do right now, I want you to pause this video and write down two words that fall into CY spelling pattern and two words that fall into VY spelling pattern. So pause the video and write it down. Okay, here are the words that I came up with. Cry and try for the spelling pattern CY, consonant and Y. So how will I add those suffixes to them? Cried, crying, and then tried, trying. See, I turned that Y into an I, and then I added ed. Now let me think of the two words with the VY. I have the word play and annoy. I apologize for that. Play and annoy. How do I add my suffixes? Well, I don't do anything. I just add them. Playing and played in the past tense, and then annoying and annoyed in the past tense. Good. Good, good, good. So check your words and see if yours are correctly done, if you added the correct suffixes, if you changed that Y into an I. And remember, anytime you have the verb, those are the rules that we follow with the verbs, but if we have an adjective, we do not add ed and ing. We have to change these adjectives into comparative form or superlative form, so we're adding er or est. All right, thank you for watching.